hope we are in for a good stable Friday. We've not had a good clean week of gains. Hopefully this could be one if we get some elevation. Nifty is off to a good start. Benchmark indices are off to a decent start. The small and the mid cap stocks are also they are also accelerating in the right direction. The bank Nifty needs to do something special. I want to address some newsmakers here. Dr. Reddy, poor, horrible and pathetic set of numbers. And there's no space to hide. It'll have to face the music today. Tharocare on the other side, you've got volume coming back. Tharocare is the low end in terms of a diagnostic change. When they add volume, that means the pricing power and volume growth is coming back. So markets like what Tharocare is doing. ICICI Bank Saturday, and this is the one performing stock. Let's see where ICICI Bank is moving ahead of numbers. And there you go, it is at 1207. Aisha?
Yeah, that's ICICI Bank, pretty stable. What's HDFC Bank up to? Is the momentum still continuing? Although it couldn't quite latch on to its morning gains yesterday. Let's see where it's actually started off today. Still pretty tempered, so around that 1650, 1655 odd kind of zone right now. That's where this particular stock is. What about United Spirits? What's that stock up to? I don't think it really corrected a whole lot in the recent correction in the market. United Spirits, good set of numbers, although the stock is a little warm in trade today. That's down about 1.25% as we speak. Good numbers from Indus Towers as well. There's been a sharp jump in EBITDA and the margin as well because of the reversal in the doubtful debt. So look out for that stock. HPCL as well has been a strong set. The Q3 earnings have come in line. The marketing volumes have been healthy, an uptick of about 11%, 4.5% jump up in HPCL. Typically, you don't see HPCL move the way it is right now. Interglobe Aviation, for them, the December market share has climbed up to 64.4% on a month-on-month basis. Amber Enterprises, numbers above estimates. Revenues up a solid 65%. That stock also will come up for you on your screens. And then IEX, wherein the Q3 numbers are in line, trading volumes are higher by 16%. That stock holds up 1% as we speak right now. There's also, other than Dr. Reddy, Cyient, let's see what that stock is up to. There's been that, guidance revision lower for the margin. Cyient gap down of 10%. DRL is still reeling under pressure. What about Mankind? The Q3 numbers and margins are in line. PAT, of course, has seen a little bit of a decline. Stock down nearly 5%. Ujjivan SFB as well. The 7-quarter high GNPA ratio is what they've posted this time. And that also is cracking about almost 4%. The slippages are at a multi-quarter high. For Spandana as well, dispersals are down. Sona BLW numbers are in line, but they're anticipating a weak Q4. So look out for what that stock as well does. And Suryodaya SFB as well, they've cut their FY25 guidance too. So that also is one stock which is going to be in focus. But Kunal, what's it looking like for the index? Once again, a very, very tempered start.
Yeah, tempered start, but we're still holding on to that 23,000 mark. And looking at the way many of these asset classes are behaving, there could be a chance that we may probably expect a steady recovery for the index, at least on a net basis, on closing basis. In terms of the opening trade, United Spirits is something which started to look attractive. The stock confirming a breakout over the last few days, showing very strong volume surge. So that's a stock which I'd be keen to buy in the trade.
All right, United Spirits is something that Kunal is eyeing at. But Naresh, help us with your first trade idea.
So continue like Muthoot Finance, the relative outperformer, which could do well from here on as well.